Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube family and my lovely friends? I hope my all the sweet friends are good and healthy. God bless you all and always be happy, friends. So my lovely friend, first of all, thank you so much for watching my previous videos and supporting me. Secondly, friends, you can see in this video I am providing you gorgeous and trendy beautiful multicolored nail art ideas. So my lovely friends, don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning and so unique and useful. I hope you all love these amazing, attractive, beautiful multi nails art ideas. So share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of multicolored nail art ideas. I really hope that they will love these amazing collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors collection. So in this video you will see different colors and different decent and unique designs. You can apply these beautiful designs on your nails for more beautiful and gorgeous look. Thank you my lovely friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass nail art collection, they will get new designs and new ideas related to your nail art, friends. So friends, if you all love these articles and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me, friends. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. So friends, remember me in your precious prayers. See you soon. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz. Take care.